Hi everyone, and welcome to this just short video on how this outdoor shower works. This is the Sanitation for Africa outdoor shower, which is quite a neat gadget, and we're just going to show you how it can possibly help you with your customers. So I've got a battery or a power socket, and this is charging this little unit, and it goes green when it's charged, and it's a USB charger. Very neat. However, you must make sure that you close. It must be closed because of the submersible pump. So once we close that, it's easy to assemble, obviously, just to tighten that up. What we do now is it's a submersible pump, so we put it in the water, and all I do is press that button on. And there we have the shower. I've just got to make sure it's held down, and that shower can obviously be plugged in. It's got quite a good flow, as you can see, and if you put warm water in the bucket, you're obviously going to have warm water flowing out of it. And we have a little suction pad that you can connect it to a shower. You can use it on the inside of a portable toilet, and we believe it's a great product at a great price. So thank you for watching.